Now summer is around the corner and you may start to take care of your lawn again. And this is the eufy Robotic Lawn Mower E18, a completely autonomous, easy to use, and good looking robot lawnmower. To be honest, I personally don't own a yard or anything, and since we are reviewing this one, we found a piece of lawn like this to show you how it performs and if it is worth your money after all. When you get this robot, it comes with a big box like this, 1/3 bigger than a robot vacuum, I would say, but you can pretty much unbox it very easily. Inside the box, there's the machine and the station, there's the hood on the top. Then there are the accessories including the charging cable, a bunch of screws, and extra blade. So the package content is just like a robot vacuum, very simple. And one important note, if you have used a robot lawnmower before, there's no RTK pole or wires on this one. If you haven't used a robot lawnmower, then you will know why it's quite an innovation in a minute. The machine is very compact and futuristic. It reminds me of some cartoon characters, but I can't remember the name of it. So on the top, there are the buttons, the battery indicators. There's a stop button in case the robot runs into a pond or you want it to stop working. And this is a rain sensor. If it detects rains, it will go back to the station. At the bottom, you can see the wheels at the front and back, then the mower deck with the 3 cutters. The mower deck is about 8 inches wide and the blade is about 1 inch long. It is a reasonable setup, giving the area it can mow. So this robot mower claims to be able to start running in 5 minutes. Basically, it removes the base station setup and it connects the robot to the phone. As long as you have a power tool and the Wi-Fi signal sorted out, then it can be done in a very short time. For the area we have here, it is very easy to start running right away. That's because it does not need an RTK stick to run it. We will talk about it in a moment. So this eufy E18 Robot Lawn Mower is using a FSD rather than an RTK tag. It means it runs completely on 3D camera sensing without the satellite's help, and they call it VFSD 1.0. A little bit of how it works, there's a high precision cameras and binocular cameras. They work together to provide precise positioning and depth maps and also help it navigate through every inch of the area. Two major benefits of the FSD are, first, it is very easy to use. The old RTK tag requires a 360-degree clear space for the antenna to connect to the satellite, or the robot can't work properly. This robot mower here uses the similar tag on robot vacuum. A Wi-Fi signal is all it needs. Second, the FSD can detect the lawn, the edge of the lawn, and some objects on the lawn pretty accurately. It will benefit the route planning and obstacle avoidance. I would say it is the true AI in the work here, as the robot should be trained well in order to identify so many complicated seams. Okay, the mapping was completed in about 10 minutes, pretty impressive. You can also set a no-go zone in the app to make sure the robot does not run into a pond or some really tight corners. In the app, you can see the shape and the details of the lawn and some settings at the side to start with. Here you can choose the cutting height of the grass, the spacing of the path, the direction of the path, etc. The important thing about the settings here is the height of the grass you want. You can try a slightly higher number, maybe 75 millimeters, so it does not cut too deep or it will hurt the grass. The other is the edge spacing. If you set it as the max number, it will try to cut the edge of the lawn as much as it can do, but it may not be the case if there's a fence or higher steps around the lawn. Which means if your lawn is designed differently, you still need to cut the edge yourself. So don't sell your lawn trimmer just yet. Now the robot is moving. As you can see, it is running the U-turn smoothly and the lines and spacings are very perfect. This model claims to be able to cut 0.3 acres of area, which is impressive, and it can climb up to 40% of slope. With a 2-wheel setup like this, the torque is quite excellent. So with this kind of a performance, it makes your lawn maintenance much easier. There are some other impressive features. First is the obstacle avoidance. We mentioned that it is using AI camera and 3D cameras, allowing the robot to see everything. It can detect any obstacles in front of it without any problem, like a tree or a person. So if you have a bunch of kids or pets playing in the yard, it will not hurt them. But of course, if the robot is constantly being interrupted, then it will take a longer time to finish the job. Next, this machine is IPX6 waterproofing, so it can still work fine if the grass is still a bit wet. It can automatically detect rains. Once there's a rain falling upon it, it can return to the base station. One thing to know though, if you have a watering facility running automatically every day, then the schedule of running this robot mower should be made better. It can also cut multiple lawns. You just need to guide it through the spot it goes from this lawn to the next one with just one click in the app. Then it will go out and mow your parents' lawn 20 miles away. Okay, just kidding. There's also anti-theft feature. It uses GPS and 4G signal to position itself. In case it is lost, you can still track it down and get it back. This is a very useful feature for many people. You won't experience the pain like you lose the Amazon packages. If you want to have a bit of fun, then you can use a manual control to maneuver it around the lawn. This can also be used in a mapping session, but you may not need it as the robot can do the job well enough. So this is the eufy E18 Robot Lawn Mower, a revolutionary machine that can help with yard maintenance. Again, the highlight should be the FSD technology, which ditches the old RTK sticks and wires and use 3D AI vision to do its job. The result shows that it's quite capable of doing everything without you doing much for it. Then it can also cut the grass the way you want, cut the edges also. When it's raining, it will go back to the station. Lastly, it has GPS plus 4G signal, so even if it's stolen, you will be able to find it. This eufy robot lawnmower has just been introduced to the market, but I think it's worth checking out. And if you have a limited budget, you can get the E15. The biggest difference between them is the price and the mowing area. Other than that, everything else is the same. There's a link below for you to know more. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.